I've spent years in healthcare, studying the many hidden factors that put people at risk for serious conditions. One of the most surprising discoveries? Something as ordinary as the way you sleep could have a massive effect on your brain health, especially your risk of stroke. Research shows that depending on how your head and neck are positioned, stroke risk can multiply several times over. Even more alarming, more than 80% of people over 60 regularly sleep in at least one of these risky positions, completely unaware of the silent damage happening night after night. Think of the main artery feeding your brain like a garden hose. If it's bent or twisted for hours, blood flow slows down, oxygen is reduced, and clots can form. Over time, this increases the chance of mini strokes, high blood pressure, and, in vulnerable people, a major stroke. Most people never connect sleep posture with brain health, but once you understand how circulation works during rest, the impact becomes impossible to ignore. Here are the 5 most dangerous sleep positions, followed by the safest one to protect your brain and overall health. Number 5, the starfish. Lying flat on your back with arms and legs spread might feel comfortable, but gravity pulls the tongue backward, narrowing your airway. That reduces oxygen flow to your brain and can trigger headaches or mini strokes over time. A simple fix: train yourself to avoid flat back sleeping. One trick is placing a tennis ball in a sock pinned to your back so you don't roll into this posture. Number 4, the soldier. Sleeping straight on your back with arms at your sides looks harmless, but it actually compresses arteries in the neck that carry blood to the back of your brain. This can cause brain fog, dizziness, and higher risk for stroke. A supportive neck pillow and shifting towards side sleeping make a big difference. Number 3, the free fall. Stomach sleeping. Face down sleeping forces the head into a twisted position for hours. This strains the arteries supplying blood to the brain, cutting flow by nearly half on one side. Over time, it increases stroke risk, especially for older adults. Experts strongly recommend avoiding stomach sleeping altogether. Number 2, the tight fetal curl. Curling up too tightly with your chin tucked down and knees pulled up restricts airflow and circulation. It raises nighttime blood pressure and adds strain on your blood vessels. Instead, keep a gentle bend at the knees, use a pillow between them, and keep your chin neutral. Number 1, the twisted pretzel. This is the most dangerous position, where your upper body twists in one direction and your lower body the other. It kinks your arteries, disrupts blood return to the heart, and can cause wild swings in blood pressure overnight. Using body pillows along your torso and legs helps prevent twisting. The safest sleeping position. The healthiest posture? Aligned side sleeping. Your head should rest on a pillow that fills the gap between your shoulder and neck. Your spine should stay neutral, not bent or twisted. A pillow between your knees prevents hip rotation. This setup keeps blood flow smooth, breathing unrestricted, and blood pressure stable throughout the night. Studies show people who adopt this posture have significantly fewer cardiovascular problems over time. Every night spent in the wrong posture adds unnecessary stress to your circulation. Adjusting how you sleep could reduce stroke risk and improve your energy, clarity, and long-term brain health. So let me ask you, what's your usual sleeping position? And are you thinking about changing it after hearing this?